Hi everyone, this is Julie with Texas Select with Heard That on YouTube. Today we're here with Tristan, our son. He is going to build a planter box, so I'm going to let him take over.
What's up, guys? This planter box is going to be 23 3/4 long. When you put the end caps on, that adds an inch on the overall length because our boards are only 1/2 inch. So you're going to cut it at 22 3/4 long. So we're going to cut those boards first, and then once we have those boards cut, we'll come back and show you what to do from there. Now that we have all 3 boards cut. Now that we have all 3 boards cut, we're going to get our wood glue. Make sure to keep everything nice and tight.
What kind of wood glue do you use?
I use Type Bond number 2. The original always works good, but I've always had better luck with number 2. I've never tried number 3, but number 2 seems to work pretty good. That's it. You can get it at your local Home Depot or Lowe's in the wood glue section. Just in the, I think it's in the paint section.
And this is a small window box.
Yeah, it's going to go on a little window above a doorway. We're going to put, it's for my pastor that baptized me, so it's pretty cool. We're going to put some fake flowers in there so they won't be able to get to it. Now that you have the glue on the edge of one board, this is going to be my bottom board. We're going to place that down, butt this one up to it. And I always bring it to the edge of my work table, make sure everything's square. And then we're going to shoot some staple into it. I always start with the ends first, keep it from moving. It might help if we have staples in there.
Blooper. We don't edit our films.
Let's try this again. There we go. And then just shoot some down about every 2 to 3 inches. Make sure you didn't get any through the bottom. That's going to be your bottom. And we're going to keep the same process on this side. Don't be shy with your wood glue. It never hurts to have more. sure none came out on the bottom. Clean up the extra. Now on the sides, you could measure it. But I'm a little lazy. So I just butt up another board.
This is like a shortcut.
Yeah, it's a little shortcut. Actually, this is a fatter board. Uno momento. These are all 8-footer scraps. Yeah. So these. There we go.
There you go.
So I just line it up with the edge. Come on this side. Make a little mark and get my square.
And sometimes when they have planter box that they order for a window down below that they're going to put real flowers in, you would put hose in here,
Yeah.
right, for drainage.
Yeah, that way the wood doesn't rot and a little bit of water gets to seep through.
Usually our boxes are around $50 to make and install. It depends on the length, but that's the average price for one. This one, after Tristan finishes, then we just stain it, and then I'm going to put a little bit of what's that called, foam board in here to put the flowers in. So I think it would look cute for them. Like Tristan said, he's doing this for his pastor that babysat him, that baptized him. Like I said, there's no editing on this, that baptized him. So
again, don't be shy with your wood glue. Make sure everything's plumbed up. It's okay if some runs over. It's just going to make a tighter bond. And shoot your first staple. Do the same thing on the other side. I usually go to the bottom, do my corners. And then just like we did on the sides, shoot a couple down, going down the sides. Keep everything nice and tight. Make sure you don't got any coming out. Do the same thing on the other side.
and if there is some on the side, you can just sand that off, right?
What?
Glue,
Yeah. No, I was talking about make sure the staples aren't coming
no
out.
staples.
Yeah. Staples are coming out, you gotta pull it out and do it again.
Okay, he's going to put this side on. And then his box will be finished, correct?
Yep.
And then, are you staining or am I? You want me to stain it or you stain it?
Okay.
They're going with what? Special walnut? Special walnut with this one?
I believe so.
Yeah. She wanted something that was a little dark, but something that would show the wood grain on the cedar, and dark walnut is probably our most popular stain, but
The darkest.
it's the darkest too, and it
If you
doesn't
ever
show as
stain
much.
Cedar, always keep in mind that cedar is a very absorbent wood. So if you go with a dark stain, it's going to come out very dark.
Yeah.
Same thing, start with top left corner, shoot that in, top right corner, bottom corner.
It took about 10 minutes to make a box, and we'll paint it and let you see what it looks like with the flowers in it. Okay, everybody, now we're gonna stain this, and like I said, we're doing a special walnut. With stain, you always want to stir the paint or stain to make sure that it's all stirred up real good. Because the closer you get to the bottom, it seems like the darker you get. See how you see the knots in this? That's what she wanted to be able to see. The wood grain and stuff. Okay, I'm going to finish staining this, and then we're going to let it dry for a little bit and come back and try to get the flowers the way I want it. I think this is going to look nice. And then we got shutters to go with it. Okay, we got all the sides covered. Just going to let it dry for a little bit and get the styrofoam and start decorating it with flowers just to see what it's going to look like before Tristan installs it on the 2-story under her window. So it won't be stable until tomorrow. It just gives me an idea how I want the flowers arranged until he gets it up there. So stay tuned, and please comment, like, and subscribe. That means a lot to us. So it helps us to get our product out. All these products that we make, we can ship when you order. Every price is different. We have a lot of items, from shutters to barn doors to stovetop covers to solo cup holders, baby and pet gates, just anything like that. So I'm going to go get the rest of it, so stay tuned. Okay, so I got the styrofoam in the bottom, and I got these flowers at Hobby Lobby, and I wanted ones that sort of looked real instead of the fake, because I really don't like fake flowers. I like the real flowers. But since it's going on a 2-story and it's not a window that you can open, they do need some fake flowers. So I'd rather have the green plants and stuff. So let's see if I can get this looking good inside, rearranged. Okay, this is what I have so far. Still got all these to go, and I'm just using a wire cutter, and I'm trying to get it where it's not too tall, because their window is going to be right here. So I'm gonna do some that's a little bit lower. I don't want them all the same size, of course. So I'm trying to get it where it looks all uniformed and straight and look pretty up high. So let me finish this and let me see what y'all think. Please comment below. See if I should have. I got a little bit of the pink flowers that I can add to it, so I think that will add some color, but I would love to get some feedback on it. Okay. Okay, everyone, this is the finished product. I think it looks great. I think there's just enough greenery with a little bit of color in it. I think Christy and Hadley will appreciate it. And thank you, Tristan, for doing that. Tristan, any final words?
Thanks for watching.
And this is a big one that he's done. That's huge. How big is that one?
6 foot.
6 foot. That one's going to be fun to do. Cool. Okay, so everybody please like and subscribe and comment. Texas Select.